Hi, welcome back to Love's Kitchen. You know how we love to cook. And today I have a special treat for you. It's going to be my daughter, Brooke. She's going to make us some really yummy chicken with rice and a salad. And here she is now. Here she is, Brooke. Come on, Brooke. Yay!
Thank you.
All right. Okay, so tell us what you're going to do, Brooke.
So my boyfriend and I love to cook at home, but for some reason every time we make chicken it just comes out dry or flavorless and we haven't liked it. So I went on Pinterest and I found different ways to cook chicken, and I tried this one and every time it's spot on. And even the next day after that, 2 days later, and you heat it in the microwave and it's still fresh and juicy and delicious. So what we've got here is about 2 pounds of chicken. It's going to be chicken, skinless, boneless chicken tenderloins. We just got a Stater Brothers brand. You can get whatever kind you want, organic, whatever. You're going to use vegetable oil, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, some water, and then when you get these packets, and I found them at Stater Brothers, Walmart, they're Grill Mates, McCormick, and there's just all kinds of different flavors. We've got smoky habanero, zesty herb, and Mojito Lime, and this is the one we're going to be making today, the Mojito Lime. So what we're going to do, we've also got the pan here. It's already lined with the oil. So you're going to, super simple, you're going to line it just a little bit, just so the bottom is covered. You're going to heat that up until you can kind of feel heat coming off of it. And then you're going to, first we're going to marinate the chicken. You can marinate it 10 to 15 minutes overnight, however long you want. It does say on the package how to make the marinade. So with the one we're doing today, we're going to add oil, olive oil, water, apple cider vinegar, mix that all up, and then we're going to place the chicken in a Ziploc baggie and marinate that for about 15 minutes. I'm actually going to use a bowl. I'm going to mix the marinade in a bowl. So we're just going to empty this. It says to use for about 2 pounds of chicken.
Can I smell it?
Yeah, of course.
Oh my gosh, I can smell the lime in there.
So then a 1/4 cup of oil. A lot, right?
It does.
So you can always set aside some of the marinade to baste on top of the chicken after you cook it. But I find that even just cooking regularly, it's got so much flavor, you don't really need that extra. So you mix that up. I want to mix it real good because you don't want any chunks of the seasoning because that's just not pleasant. Yeah. And then 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar. If you've ever had apple cider vinegar, it is not pleasant on its own, but it adds good flavor to the mixture. We are going to put our chicken in the bag.
Want me to get it for you?
Yeah, perfect.
I like to help. I'm a good helper.
Don't touch the edge of it because then it'll splash at you. So gently. Go ahead. There you go. Perfect. So then, mix that again because it likes to settle at the bottom. And I'm just going to pour over it. I'm going to leave about this much left. Alright, get all that air out, seal it nice and tight, and then you're just going to mix it.
That looks fun.
Mix it nice and good in there. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. You can do longer. It does say on here if you're using it with seafood, not to leave it for more than I believe 30 minutes. In the meantime, while you're waiting for that, you're just going to set up your rice. I like to make it easy on myself and just use a packaged rice. Usually my favorite is the chicken flavored one, but I have herb and butter here because I just thought it would go well with the salad flavor.
I like butter.
And then you're going to microwave it on high for about 12 minutes at the same time because the chicken actually only cooks for 5 minutes on one side, 5 minutes on the other side. And then I flip it and I add the remainder of the bag that we had of the juice on top.
Actually, my daughter is a very good cook. I have to say I've learned a lot from her from when she was in high school and she was taking cooking in high school. One of my favorite things was the sloppy joe thing with the
bake. The sloppy Joe bake, we could do that.
Yeah, it had like the sloppy Joe meat on the bottom.
Or I'll do chili sometimes.
That's really good too. And then you get packages of cornbread mix, and you make it the way you make it, and then you spread it over the top, and then the cornbread cooks on top of the meat, and then when you cut it, it's all together. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Actually. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. We've got our marinated chicken. We've got our rice ready to go in the microwave. So we're just gonna throw it in there. You can make it stovetop too. Either way, it doesn't really make a difference of the taste. One's just faster. So we're gonna do 12 minutes. Start that. We're gonna turn this fire on. You want it on a medium heat? Yeah. One piece at a time. Okay. Down just a little bit. You want it on like a low medium heat. You don't want them to cook too fast. Like I said, you just want to line the pan with the oil. You don't want too much because they release, liquid as they're being cooked. So we're just gonna leave that on medium, and we're gonna do that for 5 minutes. All right, that 5 minutes is up. So what I'm gonna do again, I'm gonna flip it one more time. You can see it's even more brown because my heat's been on for a while. So I want that other side to just get a little crispier. So I'm gonna flip it. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of juice from the bag because I have more chicken in there, so we don't wanna add all of it. Just a little bit more. Kind of mix it in a little. At this point, I like to kind of center them so they're more on the fire. For best results, you want it to be right in the middle.
And this is our chicken, rice, and salad. It looks delicious, and if I had smell-o-vision, you guys would really go crazy. Okay, thank you very much, Brooke, for coming. Of course. Oh, I love you so much. And this is Love's Kitchen signing off. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube, Love's Kitchen, and also go on my webpage, loveequalslove.org, and look at all my blogs. They're all inspirational, they're all for self-love, and that's what we're all about here. Self-love and healthy food. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Love you. Bye.